Hello, my name is Isaac Puig. Continuing with my series on painting mundane things, this time I'm going to paint a Japanese teacup. I've always been a fan of porcelain, especially Japanese. I bought this teacup at Nishiki Market, a market in Kyoto, Japan. It was a store full of Japanese porcelain. I couldn't hold myself when I saw it, and I had to enter. To protect the patterns on the teacup, I used a product called masking fluid. It is a latex that shields the paper. Once we finish painting, we can remove it and the paper underneath remains white. For this painting, I used ultramarine blue and burnt umber. When we combine them, we get a neutral gray, that when mixed with blue, it darkens it. Additionally, I used yellow ochre for the Hoyisha tea and cerulean blue for the brightest part of the blue on the teacup. Kyoto is one of my favorite cities around the world that I've had the opportunity to visit. If you're subscribed to my channel, you'll realize that I will paint a lot of the photos I took there. I bought this cup to enjoy tea and also as a souvenir to remember this trip. I always wanted to paint this cup. After a recent project where I used watercolor and ink, I wanted to make a study of this cup with the same technique, as the subject is also Japanese. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a like. If you want to see more of this type of content, remember to subscribe. More videos are coming. Thanks for watching.